So here we have a seat that's like a very dark grey, and we're going to demonstrate to you Renew, Leather Renew, which was the original Hidemaster range of products that we supplied. First of all, you need to obviously use your LRC3 alcohol cleaner and wipe over your seat to obviously degrease it and to remove any grime and stuff like that. I mean, a good thing with Renew is it can obviously, repair all scratches and stuff like that. But what's also quite good with Renew is you can use it to like a slight colour change if you wanted on your leather. It's that effective. It can actually change the colour as well. So this is Renew. Obviously waiting for the new labels to come through because obviously all the old ones were Hidemaster. So here it is, Renew. So this is a dark brown that we've got that we're going to put onto these seats, and you're going to be able to see the difference that it makes with changing the colour from its current colour to the new dark brown. You just simply wipe Renew into the seats like that, and it is literally renewing your leather. It is very, very simple and very, very effective. You don't get streaks with it or anything like that. It's a fantastic system. The good thing with it is you can add products into it to make it thicker if you wanted to make it so it's like a painter for an artist and everything. It's actually quite an amazing product. So just wipe that in like so. Give it a quick dry with a hairdryer, so we'll just pull away with the camera so it doesn't get so much noise. Dries very, very quick though, guys. You've got to bear that in mind. That's already dried. That's amazing. That's how quick it dries. So that's already dried, as you can clearly see. We can wipe that all over, and that's absolutely dry as a bone. So, that's absolutely perfectly fine. So you can then give that a second coat if you wanted to. You can then dab that coating on there if you really wanted to. There's no set thing of what you can and cannot do with Renew. You can wipe it on, dab it on, circular motion, straight line, just massage it into the paint. That's the whole idea of it. It's just going to, massage it in so that you don't get any streaks, and, it just renews your leather. Very, very simple, as the name says, Renew. Renews your leather surface. You can use it to change the colour. You can use it to retain the colour. Revive an old classic seat or an old sofa. The choice is yours. Jackets, handbags, shoes, the lot. Give it another dry. Because we sponged this coat on, it'll take a little bit longer than the wiping session, but again, it will dry very, very quick, as you can clearly see. It's drying already, and that is virtually dry already. As you can see, it's very, very dry. So give it a good old squeeze. And it's, got all the grain in there. It's absolutely fantastic, is Renew. And it literally renews your leather as quick as that. And as you'll be able to see, once we do the reveal on the sides, we'll be able to show you the difference in the colour, where it's changed the colour as well. That's how quick and how good Renew is. Look at that. Dark grey seats to dark brown seats. You couldn't have wished for anything better. Leather Renew from the Leather Repair Company. Renew your leather hide today. www.leatherrepaircompany.com